Releasing dopamine, dopamine.
What is happening here?
It's our words. It's our words. It's our words.
Why you do it, John Cross? What's up, guys? The worst time is coming in the building. Like, comment, and subscribe. Wagwan peeps, are we there with another
Brand new banger. It's our words. It's our words. It's our words.
Why you do it, John Cross? But as usual, guys, right before we get tonight, just remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe because it really helps out the Jamaican YouTuber for sure. But anyway, peeps, no more itching. Right into it. Alright, peeps, we're going at the first video now. Yeah. Yeah? Why you do it, John Cross? What is what is happening here? Well, lad, our man that and her husband come catch her, or her husband come catch her up on the live. My friend almost get a chip, a wrestling.
Yeah, we don't teach hate in our house. Y'all teach hate in y'all house. Y'all narcissists. But you ain't gonna play that shit with me, yes. Because I'm not a slave. I never came from Africa. I'm an indigenous person to this country. You shut up. Let me tell you instead of what your mama you. Let me tell you the truth. I'm the queen in this motherfucker. You understand me? You came from my color. Black make every color. You understand me? Black make every. Your people are going extinct. And that's why you're mad. You can't procreate. That's what eugenics was about. That's what eugenics, the Darwin theory, because y'all know the truth. I've been waiting to say this. I've been waiting to say this all my life. You're mad because only black people have the gene to procreate. And y'all know the truth. You come from me. A black person can make any color in Africa, white with blue eyes and blonde hair, just like you. Have a twin, one my color and one your color. It's
Another one.
Let them know, sister. Let them know. Well, to be honest, peeps, me no know what happened. Why it reach a level where she I say what she say. You know what I mean? Maybe something happened. You know, colorism and certain little thing in the world right now. But regarding what she say, all of that, well, black people and Ray, that is a fact. Facts.
This dude. Wait till you see the. No.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this. Look at this.
Afraid that job. Look how that job.
Oh! Bitch, what?
Excellent.
Oh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And a coronavirus.
Coronavirus!
A 5 black that the man catch up on one another, you know, and put on a buckle, you know. Alright, peeps. So me get a video where I circle around on the internet. With a man, you know what I mean? A Jamaican youth. The man has hit her lyrics there. On a rhythm. Yeah. Bad. But I figured that youth here boss. And yo, me like how him voice sound. I know him use the words them and all them thing there. On the rhythm. Yo. That youth here? Him bad. Yo, me love discover new talent about you know. Listen this, hear this.
Yeah. Masha, you said you love me, but you like then you come by. You're gonna die, mechanic alright. Me say you're mechanic alright. And if you love me, you would die. Close your eyes, say good night, cause you're up another guy. Yeah, me say you fuck another guy, watch out. Hey, my girl, you got a obsession. Sex is like a possession and as a man pass your body can. Magician, me confront you. No, me get the confession, you fuck the man in the out, so that me get to understand. Me step in at the out, kick the underpants for chance. Get a shirt, get a show and the pan look and balance. Step look closer. Who's in at the underpants, me nearly drop around. Somebody run back on the ambulance. Around here, she have another man. Big fat shape on her neck like Shabba. Me never know what we do up on another. And they say fi bunny out for right. You know me, I go drop a bomb, drop a bomb. Me ma just in her and them say nobody move for right. You know me, I go shut a man. Me a fi look on the girl and I say yo what a plan. But right now you get it shot and this up.
Excellent. This DJ is breaking all the knobs off.
Bad. Yo. A producer need to find a youth here. No. Oh, somebody need to find a youth here. No. And burst him. Yeah. That song there, bad. You need to find him. Then to start an Instagram page and start drop the thing them out there right now. Song sick. Let me know anything down there. But to me, song bad. Yo, come me like them wicked woman here. Or a cheating woman can bring out the very best in artists in a man.
Bruh.
Baby, when the bright lights start to fade, fire up the lighter. Bitch, go on with the waves. You make me feel lighter. You make me feel lighter.
Why you do it, John Croft?
This is where mothers are sell people. Look on bumbuckler, this some mothers are sell people. One bumbuckler, look a spoon of rice. Watch it. Watch it. 800 bumbuckler. No. Look there, look at one plate of food. Watch it. Mothers are sell this. Watch it.
What the shit? Oh my god. Bro, no.
Alright, peeps. Yeah, hope you enjoy them clip there. And you know what I mean? You bust some laugh and all them thing there. Yo, make I tell them from now. Gold God, you mash up. Gold God, you live and mash up enough woman life. You mash up the woman them life, Gold God. Make them get in a problems with them. Man. Yo, the husband come in with that chair and said so. I ready to give her about a dozen no time. Yo, the woman. Yo, money is a TDC. So lad. Yo. I'll sample that here, man. You only see how the man scale the fence when the dad run off him. But anyway, peeps, enough little video we can talk about. And the artist they will make you hear that song there from a while ago. Yeah, man, somebody need to find him. Somebody need to find him, brother, and boss him. Lyrics bad, youth. Lyrics bad. But anyway, peeps, let me know your thoughts down below. And as myself, if you don't have no video, send to me. Down you want me to react to. I will put the WhatsApp number down there, so send me the video then, react to them. And yes, it's me going to WhatsApp and talk to you. No fake thing, no hanky panky. You know what I mean? But once again, guys, happy what? Today a Tuesday? Yeah, so happy Tuesday. Big up to all of my supporters and my peeps then. Appreciate everybody who come through and, you know what I mean, show the love and the support. Big up on yourself. Again, thank you for watching. And just go and journey with your boy. Ashoo!
I need the racks like a bimbo. Serving out the window. Have a 9-3 kids with a hustle with your mendo. Had to get it off the mental.